Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena Rugal. Please join me. And today you will see how to crochet amazing cord made of two kinds of beads. For work I will use 1.4 millimeters crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. I will use two kinds of beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Let's get started crocheting. Please join me. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the segment. I will begin from the chain. Well done. At this point I am joining a bead. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, insert the hook into the working loop, take the working loop, pull it through the bead. Make a chain with bead. Continue. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch and pull it. My chain space is ready. Make chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch and pull it. My base for the segment is ready. And I remind you, before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. Make a chain, insert the hook into the chain space. I turn the work and insert the hook into the thread. Here what I have. Make a slip stitch. Pull up the working loop. Make a chain with bead. And I move the seed bead to the front side and pull it. Make a chain. This is the simple chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. In total it should be 6 of them, and I will make the chain with seed bead between my slip stitches. Make a chain with seed bead and move the seed bead to the front side. And chain more. 3. Chain with seed bead. Move it. Chain. 4. Make a chain with seed bead. And 5. Pull it, chain, and make the 6th one. Make a slip stitch. The half of the segment is ready. Let's work with the opposite side. Make a chain with seed bead, then pull it, then chain more. I will count only slip stitches. Make slip stitch with chain with seed bead and just chain 6 times. 1, 2, 3, draw seed beads, continue, pull it, 4, pull it, 5, and 6. Remove it, pull it, make a chain, and make the 6th one. You can check yourself. You should have 11 seed beads. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Everything is correct. To complete this row, insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. My first segment is ready. Let's crochet the next segment. It is going to be the second one in this cord. Make a chain, make single crochet into the same stitch that I worked into, and make a chain. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook. At this point I am joining a bead, take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. Then make a chain with bead. Then make chain of 5 for the chain space. Then as I did before, work with seed beads. I will work with slip stitch and chain with seed beads. Chain of 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch, make a slip stitch. Chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead, make a slip stitch, pull it. My base for the second segment is ready. Pull it. Let's crochet the next row, make a chain, work into the chain space and thread with bead. Insert the hook into the chain space and thread, make a slip stitch, draw seed bead, make a chain with seed bead, and make everything in the same way as I showed you before. Make a chain, 2, make a chain with seed bead, make a chain, 3, Pull up the working loop one more time. Make a chain. 3, 4, 5, and 6. The half of the second segment is ready. Here how it looks. Next time you will see how to crochet the second half. I will start the second half. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Then you should continue working with your own. Make a chain with bead. Pull it. Make a chain. Work into the next chain space. Make 1, pull it, 2, 3, and so on, till you will get 6 slip stitches. In total you have got 11 seed beads. Once I have done 6 slip stitches and I checked my seed beads, I have got 11 seed beads. Let's complete this row. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. My second segment is ready. Here how it looks. It is very delicate and unusual at the same time. Let's crochet the third segment. Make a chain. Make single crochet into the same stitch that I worked before. Make single crochet, then chain, pull up the working loop, remove the hook, take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain with bead. Then chain of 5 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Then chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. My base for the third segment is ready. As I did before, make a chain and work into the chain space and thread. Here what I have. I removed all yarns. Make a slip stitch with chain with seed bead 6 times. Two, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this row, and you should repeat these segments as many times as you need for your project. I'm done all my segments, and now I show you how to complete it. Once I have done the last segment, I would like to finish it to secure the yarn by making a chain. I have already cut off my yarn. You can leave a long piece of yarn to sew the stuff for the jewelry, or you can remove it along the stitches on the back side of the cord. You can use it like a decoration or a jewelry. Also, you can combine this cord with another accessories. Here what I have at this point, and in this video you have seen how to crochet amazing cord that consists of segments, all segment made of two kinds of beads, such as seed bead and round beads. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your personal project. All additional information about the seed beads and just beads crochet tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Let's look at this example. I remind you, you can use it like a decoration or accessories or a jewelry. Here how it looks on my hand. This is the first that comes to my mind. Also, it could be perfect for the choker or necklace. Or you can crochet one segment and create the earring or pendant. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use it. Follow my social media such as Facebook page and Pinterest. Let's look at the second example. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. And please share my videos with your friends. Bye!